Are you tired of losing track of who's responsible for what in Smartsheet? Learn how to assign tasks in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to assign tasks using the Assign To column, from finding your sheet to confirming the assignment. Navigate to the Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets are listed. Open the sheet you want to edit by clicking on its name. Locate the Assigned To column in your sheet. Click the drop-down arrow in that column for the task you want to assign. Select Add New to bring up the assignment form. Type the name of the person you want to assign. Type in their email address to ensure they receive notifications. Click OK to confirm the assignment. Repeat these steps with other tasks you want to assign, and that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.